Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today, I want to present about manufacturing process of the drinking water bottle for presented by Group 2 of Section 1. So, we go to introduction of project overview. So, the project overview is a drinking water bottle goes through several stages of manufacturing, from material selection to final packaging. Depending on the manufacturer, their machinery, and the kind of bottle they are producing, the detail may can be changed. Furthermore, it is imperative that the manufacturing process follows an environmental sustainability guidelines and regulatory standards. So we go to this is our group. Amani, ID, Ifan. So my name is Muhammad Ifan Vigosal Fazil. From my metric card is TB 21074. I want discuss about background. For the general overview, we can know that plastic pellets are put into a machine and heat a temperature that turn them into the viscous liquid, subsequently injected into mold, allowing the plastic to solidify and take it on the shape of the bottle. Factory, the plastic pellet and recycled plastic pellets could be mixed together. So we go to history of the background. Even though plastic bottles are widely available these days, their use is still relatively new. The first water bottles were kit in the 1940, and larger scale production of bottled water did not happen for over 10 years. The early varieties of synthetic plastic could not keep the water qualities or be waterproof, so they were not appropriate for use in water. Larger scale production of water bottles did not begin until PET plastic was developed. So we go to table of content. There are four of table of content. First one is material. Material is used in manufacturing water bottles. Second one, equipment. Equipment is all types of equipment used in manufacturing water bottles. Third, step in creating a water bottles. So that step by step in creating and manufacturing the water bottles. And the last one is discussion, which mean advantage, disadvantage, discussion, and conclusion. So we go to material. Material is like polymer, copolymer, high density polyethylene, HDPE, and low density polyethylene, LDPE. Can all these can be used for make multi-purpose water bottles. All of them have the benefit of being BPA free, dishwater safe, lightweight, and strong. The material's flexibility is the primary distinction between each kind of water bottles. High density polyethylene, HDPE, polycarbonate, PC, and polyethylene terephthalate, PET, are the plastic used to make bottled water container. Plastic water bottles consist of 78.8% PET, 12% PC, and 9.2% of HDPE. Various additives might be incorporated for specific bottles properties like colorants, stabilizer. Anyway, so HDPE is the left side and PET is the right side. So that's all for me today. I will see you again. I will pass to the member. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Amani Hakim bin Muhammad Jalani. My ID number is TB23046. Okay. For my turn, for my part, I'm explaining about the equipments that being used in water bottle manufacturing. Okay. For the first equipment, the name of the machine is actually injection molding machine. The purpose of the machine is to produce preform from the PET resin pellets or from the material resin pellets. Okay. The process is it melt down the PET resin and injects it into the preform molds to create test tube like shapes. For the second equipment, it called the stretch blow molding machine. Stretch blow molding machine. The purpose is to shape preforms into the final bottle form. It reheats preforms and place them into bottle shaped molds. The high pressure air stretches and blow the preform into the desired bottle shape. Okay, for the third machine, which this one, we can call it the cooling units. The purpose is to cool down the newly formed bottles from the previous machines. The process is to ensure bottles maintain their shapes and structural integrity by cooling them down after shaping them from the previous equipment. For the fourth equipment, this is the picture for trimming and finishing equipment. The purpose is to remove excess plastic and refine the appearance of the bottles. The process is it's trim off the excess plastic and smoothing out any rough edges or imperfections to get the quality shape of the bottle desired. For the fifth machines, this one is quality control machinery. The purpose is to inspect bottles for defects and ensure they meet the quality standards in the factory. It uses sensors, cameras, and human inspection to check for leaks, cracks, deformities, or any other quality issues after the bottle has been shipped. For the six machines, this machine is called labeling and packaging machinery. It can label the bottles, group them up, and pack it in the box for distribution. It applies labels with brand information, nutritional content, expiration dates, recycling symbol, etc. It also packs bottles into the larger containers or boxes for shipment and distribution. For the last equipment, it's conveyor and handling equipment. The purpose is to transport bottles from different stages of production. For example, after the bottles got heated in this machine, it got transferred with this machine to the next machine. Okay, that's it for the equipment. Next is steps in manufacturing. Steps in manufacturing. First step called material preparation. The resin or the material we use in the manufacturing PET being heated and extruded to form a tube-like structure known as parison. Okay, and then it got sent by the conveyor to the next steps, which is a bottle formation. The parison that has just been formed is placed into the bottle mold where it's inflated using high pressure air to take the shape of the mold. Then it's being cooled off after it's being reheated for to maintain the shape of the bottle. And then it got sent to the bottle processing, which is trimming and deflashing. The excess plastic that on the bottle is trimmed off and any rough edges are smoothed out to ensure the quality of the bottle that have been produced. Okay, and then for the fourth step, it's quality control, which is we do inspection on each bottle that just been produced from the previous machine. The bottles is undergo quality checks for defects, multi-purpose of the defects, such as cracks, weak spots, and imperfection on the bottles to get the quality standards. And then for the fifth steps, we got the labeling and packaging. The bottle needs to be labeled with information, and bottles are packed into larger containers or boxes for shipment to distribution centers, which is after the bottle got inspect from the quality control, it got labeled and packaged in the boxes, and then it got shipped out for distribution. Alright, that's it. I pass it for the next presenter. Thank you.
Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Nama saya Muhammad Aidil bin Jasmi, TB 21071 daripada grup 2. Okay, saya akan menerangkan berkenaan discussion dan conclusion. Okay, first discussion. Dalam discussion ni saya akan sentuh 4 perkara. Okay, first of all, the convenience and the portability. Okay, when the clean drinking water is not always readily available, water bottle offer a convenient and portable way to carry and consume water. The second is marketing and branding. Water bottle help beverage companies promote their names, logos, and marketing message to consume by acting as a branding tool. Next is about plastic pollution. Okay, when PET plastic bottle disposal correctly, they greatly add to the problem of plastic pollution. They greatly add to the problem of plastic pollution lah. When waste is improperly disposed, it end up as a litter in river, ocean, and landfill, harming economic system and wildlife. So dia akan merosakkan ekosistem kita lah kalau kita tak jaga tu. Okay, the last one is a single-use culture. Okay, single-use water bottle throwaways design contributes to a convenience, a culture that disregard the long-term effect on the environment. So in the discussion, so we can learn from this scenario that each of technology and convenient thing have its benefit and impact to our environment and daily life in short term or in long term, in which cover many aspects. So water bottle can help people to get access to drinkable water everywhere and anytime because it portability. It also can cause pollution to environment because of material and it promote littering in society. Yeah. So this for example the picture we can show you about the drinking water. the bottle, plastic bottle. And this is what will happen if we do what we call control it. How to this is how it will happen. How it harm our economic system lah. So the last is the conclusion. Okay, in conclusion, environmental issues are present in the production of the drinking water bottle despite the high level of technological sophistication and efficiency. The concern about resource consumption, recycling difficulties, and plastic pollution draw attention to the need of sustainable solution and ethical business practice. And the use of recycled material, rising recycle rate, and investigating the environmentally friendly substitutes are all essential steps in reducing their worries and guaranteeing a more sustainable bottle manufacturing industry in the future. In order for the water bottle manufacturing industry to continue evolving, it's imperative the convenience and utility to balance the environment responsibility. Okay, so that's all from us. Thank you.